And the most important one being finance, the second one being programming, that is C++, Java and Python, the third one being web development, the fourth one being graphic designing, the fifth one being video editing, and also courses on biology and in future Android development. So what's up guys, welcome back once again to Dream Academia. सो गाइस फेस्टिव सीज़न तो चल ही रहा होगा और हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होंगे कि आप लोगों ने बहुत सारा मज़ा किया होगा इस फेस्टिव सीज़न के अंदर। तो और इस फेस्टिव सीज़न के अंदर ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि कोरोना का केसेस थोड़ा थोड़ा तो बढ़ ही रहा है, तो इसको भी ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को। तो इस फेस्टिव सीज़न के अंदर आप लोगों ने अगर देखा होगा तो ड्रीम एकेडमिया अब 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स का फैमिली बन चुका है और हम लोग अब एक साथ है इस मिशन के अंदर, जहाँ पे हम लोग हर समय ट्राई करेंगे कि फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हम लोग आपके सामने बहुत सारे कंटेंट ला सके ताकि आप अच्छे से सीख सको और अपने लाइफ में बेटर कर सको। तो इसी खुशी को ध्यान में रखते हुए कि 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस कर चुके हैं और हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के ट्रस्ट को रखने के लिए हम लोग अनाउंस करने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़। वो है कि हम लोग जूनियर्स के लिए बहुत सारे स्कीम्स लॉन्च करने वाले हैं कि बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हम लाने वाले होंगे कि ताकि जूनियर्स को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट बहुत सारे कंटेंट मिले। और स्पेसिफिकली ये टारगेट हो कि कॉलेज फ्रेशर्स के लिए, जो लोग अभी कॉलेज के 2021 में एडमिशन ले रहे होंगे और जो अब कॉलेज में आ चुके हैं और अभी भी जो कॉलेज में नहीं आए वो लोग भी इससे बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत सारे डोमेन्स में कोर्सेज लॉन्च करने वाले हैं और ये सभी कोर्सेज हम लोग खुद डिज़ाइन किए हैं आपके लिए, ताकि आप लोग को, क्योंकि हम लोग को पता है आप लोगों का नीड्स क्या होता है, मतलब एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स का नीड क्या होता है वो हम लोगों को पता है। तो हम लोग उसी तरह से ये सब कोर्सेज डिज़ाइन किए हैं एकदम आपके नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए। तो गाइज डू सपोर्ट अस इन ऑल आवर एंडेवर्स एंड ऑल्सो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, लाइक ऑल आवर वीडियोज़ and share it with all your juniors and those who need the support in all these courses, so that we can also grow and we can help you also grow. So without much ado, I will straight out continue with the announcement of this course. तो गाइज़ हम लोग जो कोर्सेज लॉन्च करने वाले होंगे तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारे जो डोमेन्स है वो हमने कवर किए। पहला जो डोमेन है वो है फाइनेंस, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स का फाइनेंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। और सेकेंड जो डोमेन है वो है प्रोग्रामिंग। प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर हम लोग कोर्सेज जो लाने का प्रयास करेंगे वो है जावा, C++ और पाइथन। थर्ड होगा वेब डेवलपमेंट। फोर्थ जो है वो है कि ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग एंड फिफ्थ है वीडियो एडिटिंग। तो ये और सिक्स्थ और एक डोमेन है वो है बायोलॉजी स्पेसिफिकली, और हम लोग एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट का कोर्स भी लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। तो यही जो डोमेन्स है इनमें जो कोर्सेज डिज़ाइंड है वो हम एक एक करके डिस्कस करने वाले होंगे। तो पहला जो कोर्स है वो है फाइनेंस। फाइनेंस के ऊपर एक कोर्स स्टूडेंट लाइफ के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स को अपने फाइनेंस का केयर खुद रखना चाहिए। मतलब पर्सनली आई थिंक इज़ दैट स्टूडेंट्स शुड स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग एट एन अर्ली एज नाउ डेज, बिकॉज अभी जो फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में पढ़ने का कॉस्ट काफ़ी हाई है। तो अगर आप यंग एज से इन्वेस्टमेंट करना स्टार्ट करते हो डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे, लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट्स हो सकता है, म्यूचुअल फंड हो सकता है, डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास है अभी खुला। तो अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट अभी से स्टार्ट करोगे तो वो मनी ग्रो करते करते आप लोगों के पास एक बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट में बन सकता है। तो यही हमारा मोटिव है कि स्टूडेंट्स को फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी के बारे में बताना और डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के बारे में उनको जानकारी देना, ताकि वो लोग अच्छे से सेविंग्स कर पाए। तो ये जो कोर्स होगा वो कवर फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी पे इस कोर्स को कवर करेंगे उत्तरायण नायक। ही इज़ करेंटली अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ NIT भोपाल and he is also certified in finance at the National Institute of Financial Securities and Markets. He has quite some expertise on this affair, and he has also done numerous pitchings and entrepreneurship events also. So do follow that course because it is very relevant for all the students, especially who are in their college life and also who are entering just into their college life. So next up we have a course on graphic designing. Under graphic designing we will be having two courses. One will be a course on Adobe Photoshop and another will be a course on Illustrator. The course on Adobe Photoshop will be covered by Shoroyukta Sarkar and the course on Illustrator will be covered by Ritam Chatterjee. Both of them are students of Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department, and they both of them are highly experienced and have quite some expertise on these softwares because they have been designing posters for various clubs and events of Jadavpur University. So you can expect a lot from these courses too, and if you are a beginner especially in these domains, then you'll be learning a lot, because we will be covering from ground level so that you can start learning at a young age about graphic designing. The next course which we have is the course on video editing. In this we will be covering Adobe Premiere Pro. The course will be covered by Shoykot Mondol. He is also a student of Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department, and he has quite some experience in video editing. I need not specify that. And those are specifically new to video editing, they will be highly benefit from this course, because he will be covering this course from absolute ground level, so that he can grasp the basics of video editing, and then you can move to an advanced level regarding all types of skills that which will be related to your college life. So do follow that course also. Both graphic designing and video editing are very important skills of college life, and will also be helping you out in upcoming years outside college. Next up, we have a course on web development, which will be covered by none other than Shoinik Khoddar. He is currently a student of Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department, and you all already know that web development nowadays is a very sought after skill as far as placements are concerned. Shoinik will be covering the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, as well as Node.js in the backend. If you are interested in web development and you are absolute beginner, then you can try this out, because most courses of web development are nowadays paid. But now we have gathered quite some number of paid courses, and we aim to provide those content for free, so that those juniors who are not in a very good financial position, they can also benefit from our courses and learn something new. So that is our main aim. That is, we aim to learn and help others learn. As we continue to learn and impart knowledge ourselves, we aim to distribute that knowledge among all our juniors and those who need this knowledge, because we believe that learning together is the most important part of college life. Next up, we have a course on programming, and under this we have 3 categories of programming languages. The first and the most important one is C++. The course will be covered by Shabardno Bishas. You all already know that C++ is a very important language for data structures and algorithms, primarily because for your campus placements you all need to have a thorough idea of data structure algorithm, and in most cases most of the people use C++ as the primary language for DSAs, and also C++ is a different applications in game development and other fields. Now moving on to the next course is Java. The course on Java will be covered by Shoptoshi Pani. He is currently a student of Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department as well. Now Java and C++ both have that important role in data structure algorithms, but Java also has its own different applications in the field of computer science. So both languages are quite different, and you have to master any one of them at least for the placements. So do follow these courses, both of these courses, and find out which language is most suitable to you, so that you can begin off with programming in details. And now moving on to the third and the most versatile programming language, that is Python. And this course on Python will be covered by Ritam Chatterjee. He is also a student of Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department, and in this course we will be discussing the basics of Python up to object-oriented programming language, because Python as a language is very important, and as applications in machine learning, deep learning, even in web development or any other fields, data structure algorithm, you name it, and Python is all there in that field. Cyber security, in any field that you name, Python has its applications out there. So Python is a very important language, and everyone needs to know the basics of Python at least. So we will be trying to cover all the basics of Python, which are generally covered in paid courses, so that all our juniors can get the benefits of these courses and learn something new free of cost. Next, we also have a course on biology, which will be covered by numerous instructors. The portion of zoology will be covered by Shukonda Munshi. She is currently a student of pharmaceutical technology at Jadavpur University, and the course of botany will be covered by Tathagato and Shampreet. And biology mostly will be covering high school levels, and so that the students who are preparing for NEET also, that they can get an advantage. We don't only aim to help WEG students, but also to help some of the NEET students, so that they can get some amount of benefit. So guys, that was all that we are planning to launch in the upcoming few weeks. So stay tuned to our channel, and do subscribe to our channel, because the courses will be covering a lot of domains. If I have to summarize in very brief the courses which we are launching, So we will be launching courses in various domains. The first and the most important one being finance, the second one being programming, that is C++, Java and Python, the third one being web development, the fourth one being graphic designing, the fifth one being video editing, and also courses on biology and in future Android development. So stay tuned to our channel, and also support us by liking our videos and sharing it with all your juniors and those who need the help, because mostly what we are trying to do is that we are gathering the content from different paid courses and trying to provide it to our juniors for free, so that if they are not in a financial strong position to buy all those paid courses, so that they can also continue to learn with us. And as we are learning, we aim to distribute that knowledge among our juniors and all those who need it. So do support us in our endeavor, so that we can continue to provide this free content and support us in this manner. So guys, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, and rock all your exams with Dream Academy. We are always there by you to help you out.